Hello dear readers, welcome to Nagaland Educational. In this video, we'll discuss basic computer knowledge, questions and answer, and the questions are very important for competitive exam. So let's get started. First question is, which of the following are classified on the basis of number of transistor? Option number A, ROM, option number B, RAM, option number C, hard disks, and option number D, keyboard. And the correct answer is option number D, keyboard. And next question, which of the following is the physical device of a computer system? Option number A, programs, option number B, hardware, option number C, software, option number D, application. And the correct answer is option number B, that is hardware. Next question, LCD stands for option number A, liquid crystal display, option number B, liquid cathode display, option number C, liquefied cathode display, and option number D, liquefied crystal display. And the correct answer is option number A, that is liquid crystal display. Next question, what was the first fully electronic computer in the world? Option number A, ABC, option number B, EDBSA, and option number C, EDSAC, and option number D, ENIAC. And the correct answer is option number C, that is EDSAC. Next question, non-components, option number A, program, option number B, CPU, C, hardware, and option number D, software. And the correct answer is option number D, that is software. Next question, computer is a device which processes or transforms data into useful. Option number A, program, option number B, instruction, option number C, information, option number D, input. And the correct answer is option number C, information. Next question, what is the name of the logic circuit which can add two binary digits? Option number A, register, option number B, full adder, option number C, half adder, and option number D, buffer. And the correct answer is option number C, that is half adder. Next question, IC stands for option number A, integrated computer, option number B, internal computer, option number C, integrated circuit, and option number D, internal circuit. And the correct answer is option number C, that is integrated circuit. Next question, the first computer mouse is built by option number A, Douglas Engelbart, option number B, Robert Zowski, option number C, Daniel Gohard, option number D, William English. And the correct answer is option number A, that is Douglas Engelbart. Next question, a web address is also called a, option number A, HTML, option number B, URL, option number C, URI, option number D, LRH. And the correct answer is option number B, that is URL. Next question, which key is used to move to next line in a MS Word document? Option number A, escape key, option number B, enter key, option number C, return key, option number D, shift key. And the correct answer is option number B, that is enter key. Next question, in a website, the home page refers to option number A, the last page, option number B, the first page, option number C, oldest page, and option number D, most recent page. And the correct answer is option number B, that is the first page. Next question, what does the acronym ISP stand for? Option number A, internal service provider, option number B, international service provider, option number C, internal service provider, and option number D, internet service providing. And the correct answer is option number A, that is internet service provider. Next question, in a Windows-based application, the shortcut key for help is option number A, F5, option number B, F4, option number C, F3, and option number D, F1. And the correct answer is option number D, that is F1. Next question, the smallest storage unit in a computer is option number A, a bit, option number B, byte, and option number C, word, and option number D, nebly. And the correct answer is option number A, that is a bit. Next question, the word FTPS used in the field of computer stands for option number A, file translate protocol, and option number B, file diving protocol, and option number C, file transit protocol, and option number D, file transfer protocol. And the correct answer is option number D, that is file transfer protocol. Next question, which contents are lost when the computer turns off? Option number A, storage, option number B, input, and option number C, output, and option number D, memory. And the correct answer is option number A, that is storage. Next question, which key is used in a combination with another key to perform a specific task? Option number A, space bar, and option number B, function, option number C, control, option number D, arrow. And the correct answer is option number C, that is control. Next question, what is the permanent memory built into your computer called? Option number A, CD-ROM, option number B, ROM, option number C, CPU, option number D, RAM. And the correct answer is option number B, that is ROM. Next question, a website address is a unique name that identifies a specific page on the web. Option number A, website, option number B, web address, option number C, link, and option number D, web browser. And the correct answer is option number A, that is website.